Hey guys, welcome to another video. So from the last time that we spoke, I was talking about how to take photography content using your cell phone. So I showed you a demonstration of how to take pictures. And so in today's video, I am going to talk about now another way of like solidifying your content creation, and then that's editing. Just for the sake of this editing process, let me just begin by mentioning that there's several apps that you can use for editing, and most of them that are free. But for the sake of this, for the sake of this process, I'm going to begin by the inbuilt editing software that is in your camera, that is in your iPhone, that is on your Android phone. Alright guys, so this is a photo that I took of my girlfriend Amanda the other day. So just to begin the editing process, so I am going to begin by adjusting the light quality of this photo. So we're gonna start with the exposure quality. We're gonna bring it up a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, since it was like I had opened the windows. And then the brilliance, I'll bring it up a little bit. And you don't have to do crazy stuff like, you know, all the way like that, because otherwise that skin tone is gonna get washed out. So you do that, and then the highlights. If you're taking the brights up, you always wanna bring the highlights down a little bit, okay? And then we're gonna bring the shadows a little bit up, since we brought the lights higher. And then contrast, we're gonna adjust the contrast. That's my sweet spot right there. And then the brightness, I'll bring it up a little bit. And then we're gonna adjust the color saturation. And then the vibrance, we're gonna bring it up a little bit. And then I will make this photo a little bit warm, right? And then this is not the end of it. So you wanna frame this photo correctly. So in this case, I will crop it out a little bit like that. And then I'll bring it out. I will bring this out a little bit, okay. That seems like a sweet spot right there, okay? And you're done, all right? And you see how the difference is, the color quality of the clothes, the skin tone, and the background, all that stuff is popping out. And this is how you make your photos stand out, instead of just taking a picture and then posting it on your socials. Alright guys, so there you go. This is how you edit your photos after you take them from your cell phone. So if you have any questions guys, so please feel free to drop me a comment down below. Leave some comments, and if you like what I'm doing, also give me a thumbs up, and hit that thumbs up button on my video. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll be posting a lot more of this stuff, and then to notify you that I've posted something, don't forget to hit that bell notification. So I'll see you in the next video.